I'm Mike.
And I'm Karen, and we are the Basketts. Join us as we begin flipping the farm. Good morning. Hello. Oh, that's not what your shirt says.
Doesn't count until...
It's Saturday.
Just kidding, I just don't like mornings.
It's Saturday morning, week 19, day 1. So, today, Mike's cutting a piece of party board and we're gonna slap it on right here. We left you on last Saturday and we said, well, I guess we left you last Friday and we said we're gonna be putting a piece up a day until we are totally done. You can see the sun's already hitting over here, so it's about to get real hot right here, so that's when we're gonna go ahead and tackle this piece. But anyways, that's what we're doing today, along with a lot of other stuff before it gets too hot. And because we were still in the shade, we decided to go ahead and put up a second piece of hardy board. And of course, you know, it called for a celebration dance because we haven't done that in a while. But then we decided to go ahead and clean up this pile of siding and wood that we pulled off several weeks back. And we just loaded it up in the tractor bucket and hauled it to the burn pile. So now then we have a new pile that we're going to need to burn eventually, but we did spend a lot of time back here on the back side of the house cleaning up and just getting rid of those little stumps. I had cut a lot of those out last week, but Mike had to weed eat a lot. We just definitely want to keep down any chances of snakes or any other critters making their way up too close to the house, but it just looks so much better back here now after getting that all back under control. So we were just sitting here taking a break after doing all that cleanup out back. And we said we were done for the day. And all of a sudden Mike's like, I can't stand it. I can't take it. So here's what he's doing. He wants to get rid of that burn pile area there, so he's gonna play around and have fun with that right now. All right, so not only did he level this one out, he decided to go ahead and do this burn area, which looks so much better. We've just been having these ring of fires in our front yard, so that looks good.
Transplanted all of
Bermuda. How do you say it? Bermuda. Somebody with the initials JM is gonna laugh if they hear this little conversation. I'm gonna have to tag them whenever this video goes out. Sunday afternoon, after hanging out with our kiddos for Father's Day, and we decided to run back over to the farm, and Mike put the hardy board up at the top, those pieces up across the top, and that looks really great. And while he was doing that, I got on the tractor and went ahead and shredded and took care of the property. And you know, guys, my favorite place on earth is the beach, so I just put my beach hat on and decided if I was going to be getting sun, I might as well pretend I'm at the beach and enjoy it. Monday, we came over super early because of the heat again. I mean, that's just pretty much what we've been doing lately, is just getting here early and working through the coolness of the morning and then heading home around noon or so. But we have been needing to get this beam up, support piece up. I'm sure it has a better name, but that's just what I'm calling it. And then finish building the wall that goes straight up so that when it comes time for the spray foam and electrical and sheetrock, everything's ready. So that's what Mike and I are doing right here.
Monday? It's Monday.
It's Monday.
We're dumb. We don't even think about it before we say anything. But yeah, it's the 20th, June 20th. And we got our higher wall up, got the opening. That literally took me as much time as doing the wall, trying to get all of the figuring done as to the, am I not supposed to say anything?
Well, I don't think we've ever officially told you guys what's happening up here.
Oh.
That is gonna be a loft for our little grandbabies.
Yeah.
So they'll have a place to hang out and play as they get bigger, of course, but that'll be kind of fun. So that was kind of a cool surprise. Our daughter sort of thought of it, and so that's where the babies will get to play.
Call that an indoor tree house.
Yeah. So Mike did
Pretty sweet.
kind of framed in the doorway for that today, and all this up here.
And Karen's been getting our electrician's supposed to be coming tomorrow night for the first time after we got our original stuff done. And so
See the yellow Post-it
Karen's
notes?
got it all outlined for him.
All over the wall, stapled to the wall, everywhere. There's Post-it notes. You can see them everywhere. That is all the electrical outlets and switches. And then we still have to talk about light fixture placement and all that. So, yep,
Fun stuff.
we're calling it a day
Hope you guys are having a great Monday. We will talk to
See
you
you
probably at some time tomorrow.
tomorrow. All right, so today is Tuesday, and we decided we have got to complete this west end of the house because after electricity, then spray foam insulation comes. So, yeah, this has got to get done. So we set our minds to it today and completed it. It was also great because we were on the west end of the house, therefore shade. So that made for really nice working conditions because there was a little breeze also. So looky what happened today. Finally finished the west end of siding.
It looks like just one monstrosity of a big old huge wall. We still probably have to put a vent in it, and obviously there's a window. But
Had some issues
had
with
some major,
windows.
setbacks when it comes to windows, but
Could be worse.
it could be worse. So we're not going to complain too awful bad. But pretty excited. We're going to probably caulk this up, clean up the seams and get them looking good, even though they'll be covered up in the end.
Batten, board and batten.
But we've got to seal it up better than it is right now. So anyway, hope you guys are having a great day.
It felt really great to get this end finished. That way we can move back inside and keep on keeping on in there. We did take a break during the day on Tuesday, but our electrician came over Tuesday night and stayed for a long time. We were there until a little after midnight. I had marked all the placements for everything, so that was helpful for him. And he just helped us map out everything and get figured out where all of our light fixtures are going. Good morning. It is Wednesday morning, very early. We were here last night till a little after midnight with our electrician, and he was able to make it out and put up some of the receps and switch boxes and stuff like that, and we gave him lots of guidance on where we're going to be putting lights and all. And then this morning, we're really excited because our door guy, Jimmy, is coming to install the front door. And there's my non-morning husband. That's why it's just me chatting it up with you right now. Anyways, he's gonna hopefully get the side door installed and possibly maybe my studio exterior door if Mike can get a little something done on that. But anyways, that's the excitement for today, so you'll get to see a little bit of that. So hang tight. Okay, so the little something I was talking about was getting that wall finished up, or the doorway framed in, the plate, the header, all that jazz, so that Jimmy can install that door. So that's what we're doing here. And we had to hurry because Jimmy and his son Nick work so fast. Here's our front door, and oh, this is really, really exciting because we've had this sucker for a while now, and we've been dying to get it put up, but it's just not been the right time. And luckily Jimmy had a little bit of an opening today, so he squeezed us in. So yeah, you're just gonna get to see them install some doors here. Okay, so our door guys, Jimmy and Nick, just left. They got the side door installed. They got the front door installed. Oh my goodness. And my studio door, I have not even looked at yet. Mike's in here. Yay! Very cool. Very cool. Sorry, I'm closing you out there. How exciting is this? And they did the pocket door frame. So exciting to have these things done. It just becomes more and more real, obviously, with each and every step. Hey, whoop, sorry. We're sitting in the truck because it is really, really hot out.
Been here since about 6:15, 6:30 this morning, and it is early afternoon, but man, it's a sweltering. You can see this little bit. I'm not even going to show you from the chest down.
Yeah. Did I just say this is the end of week 19? That's unbelievable.
But it's only Wednesday. We've got to make a little run to Texas. I got to take care of some of my dad's estate type business, things like that. Help my sister out with a couple things. So anyway, short week.
Love the grandbaby. Love on the grandbaby.
Love on the grandkids, or grandson and the kids. So yeah, we got to do that too.
Last night, our electrician came out,
yeah,
and
this guy's great.
I told you earlier in the vlog that we were here until after midnight with him. Poor guy, he is working himself crazy, but just going over like the layout of where all the light fixtures and everything's gonna go. And so I changed my mind just a little bit on him a few times, but he's really nice and understanding. So thanks, Robert.
Yeah, he had started doing a whole lot of it, but at the same time, he's got to make plans to run all that wire.
Yeah, and then the exciting thing that happened today, which I was really surprised by, I didn't know that this was happening until yesterday afternoon. Mike was like, "Oh, Jimmy's coming for doors in the morning." I was like, "What?"
Yeah, Jimmy Turner and his son Nick, man, they're fabulous at what they do. And I know people say, well, you can put doors and windows in, and I know we've mentioned it several times before. I'll admit it, I'm just not as good as some other people, and I would rather spend time doing what I do good versus what I don't do so good. And so anyway, he put our 3 outside doors in, or they did.
They're beautiful.
And put the pocket door in. I learned a little bit about that, so I was like, oh, I could probably do that next time. And it's not super hard, but when somebody's really good at something,
let them do it.
Give them that little extra money and say, have at it, because man, it saved us a lot of time.
Yeah. So thank you guys for hanging with us. Stay tuned, because I'm going to give you a little glimpse of Texas, family, grandbaby, like we said, our kids, whoever else wants to jump in the vlog this week with us. And we will see you guys.
Oh,
what?
Forget.
What?
Like Aspen Plumbing's coming to do a little work.
Oh, that's why we're sitting in the truck.
We're
waiting on our plumbers to get here before we head out, because
so they're gonna get a little bit more done too. So yeah, that's good stuff. So by the time we get here, I saw a white van. I got so excited, I thought that was them.
Anyways,
y'all have a great week. Have a great day. All that good stuff.
Subscribe, comment, share. We love hearing from you guys. So yeah. So while we were sitting in the truck waiting, our plumber did show up, and I just got a little bit of footage of them working and doing a few things, and Mike was helping them. So that was great to get one more thing checked off our list this week. All right, so it's time for a little road trip to Texas. We picked up our daughter and we hit the road. You guys, Mike and I are so tired, but he drove for the first little bit and then he crashed out in the back seat. And then we traded out driving. And it, of course, wouldn't be one of our traditional Texas road trips if we didn't stop for an all-subs beef and bean burrito. Doesn't matter what time of day it is, we are getting our bean burritos.
Yeah, I gotta be some good grenades, baby. Got grenades from Allsup's. Highlight of any West Texas town.
And another major highlight of our trip was getting to hang with our little grandson, Weston. We kept him overnight so that Mom and Dad could catch up on some rest. So that was a lot of fun, just loving and hugging on him and hanging out with the rest of the family. Guys, we really appreciate you watching. If you haven't checked out our Flipping the Farm playlist, please do so. We hope everyone has a super great, amazing week.